Focus on. All right, some important points about your in and out points on the 4 quadrants of your imaginary circle, which will make all of this split time opposite stuff easier. So the point of these points is that in these positions, the middle positions when the hands are up and down, and on each side, it helps to develop a real sense and skill with having the poi on the out points and the in points. This goes for the top and bottom, middle, and for either side. The poi can be out or they can be in. And you want a feeling for that because that's going to help you gain skill with the different formations you can make. So the easier ones are at the side. On either side, you can have a feeling for when the poi are away at the out points and when they're almost touching your chest at the in points. And you just get a feeling for that. Away, in, away, in, away, in. Same on the other side. Away, in, away, in, away, in. And ideally, poi spinning inwards and outwards. People tend to get a little more stuck on this one because in the beginning, they go into same time. So it really takes a while to get a clear split time where the poi are going to be brushing noses every time as they pass in the middle. You can play with making your hands go up and down or side to side or circling. All of those will help. But if you want to go down this wonderful road of split time opposite flowers and while playing, you need this. And there's no way getting around that. So it will come just with practice, but it's worth directly practicing it. So you can push away, in, away, in, away, in, or right, left, right, left, right. I find away, in easier. And again, you want a feeling for the away points and the in points. In, away, 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 away. In this version, the poi pass in. On each quadrant, the poi are pointing towards the center. On this version, the poi are away, 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 away. They point away at each quadrant. And if you want to make combinations like this, it's going to be a combination of which poi points in and which point points away. For instance, at either side, the poi point in, both in, both in, both in, both in. But the top and bottom, one points in and one points away. Now, we'll go through the formations and we'll get more into detail on that. But to get prepared, get a feeling for in, away, both directions, in, away, and make sure you're not doing this, in, away. You want the poi really stacked, in, away. So once you have that little arsenal of being able to feel and see the in and away points in the middle with either hand on top and then either side, poi going inwards or outwards, we're ready to proceed to all the different patterns. Away, 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 away,